Good day, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Internet Affiliate Secrets, your go-to place for learning how to make money online through affiliate marketing, step by step, no fluff, no confusion, just real strategies that actually work. And if you've been rocking with me already, I appreciate you. Seriously, because you're not just watching, you're learning, and more importantly, you're positioning yourself to win. Today is episode 9 in our ongoing affiliate marketing series. And this right here, this is your day one blueprint. Not theory, not hype, but real practical direction. Let me say this up front. Don't overcomplicate affiliate marketing. That's the biggest mistake beginners make. They think it's technical, they think it's hard, they think they need everything perfect before they start. You don't. Affiliate marketing 101 is simple. You promote a product, someone clicks your link, they buy, and you get paid. That's it. Now, yes, there are levels to this game, but the foundation is simple, and simple scales. Let's talk about something most people overlook. Your most powerful asset is not your link, it's not your product, it's your community. If you can build a group of people who trust you, who listen to you, who value your recommendations, you'll never struggle to make money online again. That's why platforms like Facebook groups are gold mines, not because of the platform, but because of the people. Now let's get into something critical: choosing the right affiliate program. Listen, not all programs are created equal. Some will waste your time, some will underpay you, and some will actually help you grow. You want quality over quantity. You want programs that offer real value, fair commissions, and support systems that help you win. Because at the end of the day, if the program doesn't benefit you, you shouldn't be promoting it. Now let's talk about fuel, because every business needs it. In affiliate marketing, your fuel is content. Content is what attracts people. Content is what builds trust. Content is what drives clicks. And content is what creates income. And here's the key: consistency beats intensity. You don't need to go viral overnight. You don't need 10,000 posts in one day. You just need to show up every single day, because every post, every video, every message is planting seeds. And over time, those seeds grow into income. Now, let's be real about something. You can have the best product in the world, but if nobody sees it, you make zero money. Traffic is everything. Eyeballs are everything. Whether it's organic traffic or paid traffic, you need people looking at your offers. No traffic, no clicks, no sales. So your mission: get more traffic. Learn it, practice it, master it. Now let me shift your mindset real quick, because this is important. Affiliate marketing is not about getting rich quick. Let me repeat that. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about building assets, things that work for you even when you're not working. A video you post today can make you money next week, next month, even next year. That's passive income. That's leverage. That's freedom. Now let's talk about you. Your energy is your most valuable currency. Not money, not time, energy. Because if your energy is low, your content suffers, your focus disappears, and your results slow down. So protect your energy, build it, charge it up, because when you're operating at a high level, your results reflect it. And let's be honest, a lot of people are tired of the traditional way of working: the commute, the schedule, the lack of freedom. That's why work from home opportunities are exploding. Affiliate marketing gives you the ability to earn from your living room, from your phone, from anywhere. Now, here's where most people need to level up. Stop thinking like a hustler and start thinking like a CEO. Hustlers chase money, CEOs build systems. You want systems that work for you, branding that represents you, and a foundation that grows over time. Because you're not just making money, you're building an empire. And let me tell you something. Once you see how this works, it's like finding a treasure map. And guess what? X marks the spot. And that spot is closer than you think. Now let's talk about leveling up your income. High ticket affiliate marketing. This is where things get interesting. It's not about selling expensive stuff. It's about delivering massive value. Because one high ticket sale can equal 50, even 100 small ones. That's working smarter, not harder. Now, if I had to simplify affiliate marketing into 3 emojis, it would be this: link, click, cash. You share the link, someone clicks it, you get paid. That's the game. And here's the real secret. The way you get ahead is by getting started. Not next week, not next month, now. Because action creates clarity. Let's talk about ownership, because this is where real power comes from. Social media, that's rented land. At any moment, algorithms change, accounts get shut down, reach disappears. But your email list, that's your asset. That's your direct line to your audience anytime you want. So build your list, protect your list, value your list. Now let's bring it all together. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest ways to start making money online. You recommend products you believe in, you help people solve problems, and you get paid for it. That's it. Now, when you combine that with the sales funnel, you unlock automation. A funnel takes people on a journey from discovering you to trusting you to buying from you. And the best part, it works even when you're offline. That's how you scale. Now, understand this: entrepreneurship isn't a job title, it's a mindset. It's about seeing opportunity where others see obstacles. It's about creating your reality instead of accepting it. And if you're still here listening, that means you're already thinking differently. Now, let me remind you again: consistency beats complexity every single time. Stop chasing shiny objects. Stop jumping from one thing to another and focus. Pick a niche, one with demand, one with good commissions, and one that allows recurring income. That's where real growth happens. Now, before we wrap this up, I want to give a quick shout out to a platform that's helping people actually get started the right way. That's olsplive.com. It's a learn and earn system where you can literally start making money while you're learning the game. And for beginners, that's powerful because you're not just studying, you're applying, you're earning, you're growing in real time. So if you're serious about this, go ahead and check it out. And if you want more content like this, more breakdowns, more strategies, more real talk about affiliate marketing, make sure you subscribe and like the channel because we're just getting started. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. This is Internet Affiliate Secrets, your go-to for affiliate marketing learning online. Check the description, check the bio, and take action today because your future is waiting on your decision. I'll see you in the next episode.